everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tana and in today's video, let's talk about bras. Now I know a lot of us have been in those situations जब समझ में नहीं आता है कैसे टॉप के साथ क्या पहने, बैकलेस ड्रेस है तो क्या पहने, ऐसे स्ट्रैप है तो क्या पहने. I know you have been there because I have been there too and I wish I knew all this earlier कि किसके साथ क्या पहनना है so that I wouldn't fuss about wearing anything. But now that I know, I'm here to share it with you guys so that you don't fuss anymore. So yes, today's video is a lingerie guide. It's basically an undergarments guide where I share every possible kind of bras, undergarments that you can wear under your attire so that you can create an easygoing look. So yes, without further ado, let's get into the video. So coming to the first bra that I feel is very essential and a holy grail that every wardrobe should have is basic strapless or multi-way bra as they call it. Now a lot of people feel that it keeps on slipping when you wear it. That's not true. You have to have the correct size. Also, I would say go a size smaller than your cup size in these kind of bras so that they don't slip. I learned it after buying like 3 of them कि this is the kind of size that I should go for it. But there are online websites that will help you check your size now. Yes, coming to this bra, मैं आपको बता देती हूँ quick way जिससे आप figure out कर सकते हो कितना support देगी and won't fall off. So when you see this, इसमें नीचे ऐसा there's one support for the cup and there's one support for the underbust. When you find these two supporters ना, you know कि हाँ ये proper fit होगा. Also coming to the top में भी there's a special distinction for the overbust. तो when you see ऐसा line एक at times ऐसा भी होता है जिसमें कहीं पे यहाँ पे plastic का होता है. They also provide like really good support. So if you have like a great perfectly fitting size in this, it's not gonna slip off and it comes really handy if you are wearing like a strapless top or a tube top, or if you are someone like me who wear a lot of spaghetti tops. You can see how great it looks with like a halter neck or a spaghetti top or a tube top, and yeah. So yes, this is the first must have that I feel comes really handy and it's a must in the lingerie that you should have. Coming to the next item, we are talking about a basic t-shirt bra. Now I have this in like a nude color one, also in the strapless ones and the multi-way one. Also I would suggest go for like basic colors, nude and black, stack upon them because you don't have to worry then about light colors or dark colors because it goes with everything. Okay, coming for t-shirts bra, I think these are the kind of things that you wear every day. For everyday bra, go for like t-shirts bra. Great support, and I have this one in nude shade and it's although underwired, but I feel if you are a little heavy chested like me, little, not much, you should go for underwired या अगर थोड़े आपके saggy boobs हैं, it will provide more support. So yes, go for something like this, and yeah, as you can see under a white strap top or daily t-shirts and everything, this goes perfectly. Since we were talking about t-shirts bra, I will also show you one more kind of one. This is a bright colored one, not a very basic color. But why I am showing this is for the neckline. Now the earlier one you saw, उसका neckline जब मैं पहनती हूँ, because it's a normal t-shirt bra and everything everyday basis के लिए, it comes till here. The thing with t-shirt bra is कि उनका neckline इतना deep नहीं होता है. And this is a bit plunging necklines. So t-shirt bras maybe you will get plunging necklines. Not very much, but yes, I think मतलब भर का है. So if my neckline is still here, the t-shirt bra would be visible. But with a normal t-shirt bra, but with a plunging neckline t-shirt bra, it won't be visible. So you can go for like a plunging one if the neck is a little deep. For racer backs and everything, I know we can wear strapless also, but I'm gonna suggest you wearing this because I prefer wearing strapless only when I'm wearing like spaghetti tops or like tubes and everything, when I don't want to show my straps at all, which is completely fine if you want to. But yes, I'll show you what I have, and it is this basic bra. Now देखने में basic है, but why it helps with racer back is because इसमें ऐसा पीछा hook है, and when you just take this inside the hook, I don't know how much you would be able to see it, but when you just take this inside the hook, it becomes a racer back bra. So with this racer back thing, you won't be able to see the straps. As you can see in the clip attached, we turned a basic bra into a racer back bra, and yeah, it's quite sorted. Okay, coming to the next set of bra, which I feel सबसे ज़्यादा essential हो जाते हैं when you have to wear a backless top or a backless dress, and something which has a very deep neckline. So yes, a very deep back. So these are silicone pasties. Now these are silicone. You just have to remove the plastic. I'm gonna show you a little bit कैसे हटेगा. So you see this is sticky. Okay. you're just gonna remove the plastic and just stick to your bust, and yeah, you're good to go. Now this comes in different bust size also, cup size actually, and yeah, till I think A to D it comes in this. Agar usse zyada larger size you can only find it on Zivave. Now I know a lot of people don't like silicons, but I think this is really handy when you have to wear a backless dress because you cannot figure out anything else. मुझे नहीं लगता इससे better कोई invention है for backless dresses. Also इसमें बहुत type की चीज़ें अभी आती हैं. There are like nipple pasties and nipple tapes and everything, but I don't feel they are like really usable for people who are a bit heavy chested or जिनके थोड़े heavy boobs हैं. It won't work, but something like this can work because I use them and I can tell you that this works. I'll share one of my personal hacks with you if you're not someone who like those silicone pasties thing. This one is for you. Now you can find these mats anywhere, like in your old bras or in your old sports bra, or you can just buy them from shops also. They come like really cheap. So you can just place it inside your top, which is like good fitting top or a dress, but the fitting should be really nice. When it will keep on falling, we'll keep on doing this. So don't do that. Invest in a good one. Just place it inside the top, or you can stick it also inside the top अगर तुम्हें पता है कि हाँ ये top मैं अक्सर पहनूंगी. You can do that, but I don't stick it. If it's a well-fitting top, I just place it and I'm good to go. मेरे पास दो shapes हैं, so that when I know when the round one will be visible, I go for like a triangle ones. So yeah, these come really handy, and you can totally skip the silicone ones if you have a well-fitting top or a dress with these. The next item we are talking about is bralettes. Now bralettes come very handy when you're wearing like ethnic wear, because chikankari kurtas mein aksar you have to fuss about the slips and everything, but you can definitely skip that and go for like bralettes because they look very sexy and ऐसा feel नहीं आता है bra जैसा जैसे लोगों uncomfortable लगता है. These looks very trendy also, and with a lot of necklines which are very deep. If you don't have a plunged neckline, you can easily go for these because even if they are visible, they look quite cool. Since we're talking about bras, we really need to talk about the bras which provide the most support for the most active part of your day, and we are talking about the sports bra. Now if you're someone who's into sports, you will realize the importance of good sports bra. Now I am someone who does a lot of workout and especially cardio and HIIT. Now if you're someone who has those kind of physical movement, it's important to invest in like a high impact sports bra. So this one is like a high impact sports bra. It's from Decathlon. Although Triumph and Tri-Action unka ek range hai, I think that's the best. I have those but they're dirty right now, so I'm showing you this, but this is also like great. Go for like lightly padded ones. I won't suggest the one जिसमें pads adjust कर सकते हो. Jockey का I think most of the times they come with like pads जिसमें जो आपने पिछला pad देखा था जो मैंने दिखाया था in a hack. Those can be removed, but I don't think they provide the necessary support if you're a bit heavy chested. So go for these lightly padded one, and yeah, it's great. Plus sweat absorbent material होता है, so invest in like a good sports bra so that your boobies don't jump up and high and low and everything when you're doing your workout. Coming to the last bra that I would suggest anyone to own is the basic bralette from a bra, something like this. Mine is completely worn out because मैं घर में हर समय यही पहनती हूँ if I have to, or when I have to sleep and I cannot take off. You should never sleep in your bra, but if you are supposed to do that, wear something like this. Don't keep the pads inside them. Remove the pads. आप ऐसी चीज़ों में remove कर सकते हो. इसका पीछे ऐसे होता है. And for like everyday घर के लिए, these are great to go. That's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and I hope next time when you have to wear something, you don't fuss about it after this video. So yes, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Also hit the bell icon so that you never miss a notification from me. Until next video, bye, take care.